Oh, we are having a homemade volcano taco salad. Look at that, with a homemade taco shell. Yummy delicious. We have beef, pico, pico de gallo, lettuce in there. We got rice. Yummy. And we have a pickled jalapeno right there. And we're drinking raspberry lemonade flavored water. Who is ready? Happy Taco Tuesday. What's up, Yummybites? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking Keto with Yummybites. Happy Taco Tuesday. Who's excited, y'all? We are having taco salads. This is a requested video from one of my Yummybiters. And I said yes, because I love taco salads, especially homemade ones. Who is ready to get started? Let's do it. All right, so in this hot pan, we're about to put about a pound of ground beef. A little more than a pound. And we're gonna go ahead and brown this. Chop 1 yellow onion and 4 fresh jalapenos. With the seeds. And these jalapenos are from my garden. Just in case you didn't know. And some of the meat is still frozen. Okay. I'm recording. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and pour in 2 taco packs of 1. And then this is 2. Then we're gonna go in with some of this ranch style seasoning mix stuff, you know, stuff for the ranch dip. I want to see what it's gonna taste like. I've never done this combination before. And some beef bouillon powder. Then we're gonna go in with a Saison packet, 1 Saison. We're gonna go in with some cayenne pepper for spice. Smoked paprika. smells so good. Oh my God. I'm gonna get this mixed together. If you need to add any more seasonings, please do so. Only you know how you like your meat seasoned. So I think I have plenty of seasoning on mine. Just make sure you distribute it evenly. And we're gonna turn this down to low. Because we're gonna add some water to this and let it simmer. About that much water. We're gonna let this simmer till all the onions cook down and jalapenos cook down and just the spices integrate into the meat and cook into the meat. And make sure you taste it for seasoning. All right, y'all, so it took a while for it to get like this, all right? But we cooked out all of the water, and then we took a paper towel and we like drained all the excess oil that was on the top, and this is what we're left with. It has like a taco gravy, and you can cook it all the way down if you want to, which I'm gonna cook it down a little bit more. But this is absolutely delicious. The flavor is insane. All right, but you can stop here if you would like. All right, y'all, so you're gonna have to heat up some avocado oil in something deep, because we're gonna use our 12-inch low carb flour tortillas from YUMMYBITESTV, okay? These are low carb and keto friendly. So if you would like to purchase some or anything else keto, y'all, they have the best baked goods and just products, period, for us. It's linked in my bio under everything YUMMYBITES TV. You're gonna get 10% off your entire order. So let this get hot, and we're just gonna place our tortilla in there, and it's gonna take the shape of the pot, okay? So just make sure it's the size that you want. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm using a spoon to hold it in the oil. You just hold it down in the grease. You're gonna fill your pot up, y'all, with grease or avocado oil, whatever you wanna use. Looks like my tortilla is splitting, and it's gonna have to be okay. But the bottom is cooking right now, so you just put it in there. Don't let it go all the way in. Ouch! Oh my God. Don't burn yourself either. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's falling in. Okay. Well, this never happens. Let's see if I can recover. Why is it not sitting up? Okay. So you're gonna push it down. Just don't break your tortilla. You have to push the middle part down so it'll make a bowl. Make sure you get some oil on the inside so it can fry the whole thing. Alright, it's almost ready. It's turning brown. Let's flip it over, make sure it's not getting burnt. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it like this and let the sides fry. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take this out. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and go in with our cauliflower rice first. Now, you can do this in whatever order you want, but this is just what I'm deciding to do. Y'all, I dropped my shell. Sure did. Rice, and you can do Mexican rice if you want to, but I'm not choosing to do that. Then we're gonna go in with some shredded romaine. Oh my gosh, shredded too much. But I wanted it to be a salad. You know, it's a huge salad. Maybe it could spill out like that. Yeah. Then we're gonna go in with our beautiful meat. Look at this meat. Oh my God. Y'all, it's gonna be so flavorful and delicious. Onions and freaking jalapenos. If you've never had your meat like this, you need to do it. And this is the first time I put these flavors together, and when I tell ya, yeah, this is gonna be like a mountain of meat because that's how we want it. And we can do what we want, you know? Like have it spill out like that. I just thought of that, y'all. That's cute. Then we're gonna go in with our fresh pico de gallo. Oh my gosh. We're gonna put as much as we want. Because why? We can. We're just gonna make it look absolutely ridiculously big. I just want it all over. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. Now I gotta figure out something else to do with this pico this week, y'all. Please help your girl out, okay? Leave me some comments on what do I need to do with the rest of this pico. Ooh, ceviche? Maybe, we'll see. then go in with either some sour cream or some Greek yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt. I feel like it tastes the same. I really do. But I kind of like Greek yogurt better. That's a thicker consistency. And I love that. And I want a lot of it. So good. But I want it to look cute though. So. Yum. Doesn't this look delicious? Who wants a yummy bite? It's time, y'all. It is time to eat. Happy Taco Tuesday once again. Y'all, I'm super excited. It looks and smells delicious. Okay, y'all, we're drinking raspberry lemonade flavored water today. If y'all enjoyed the recipe, please give me a big old thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share my videos everywhere. Comment how delicious this looks. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.